Times are hard. Things are very expensive. That's why we wake up every day in the morning to go work very hard out there, at least to meet ends at the end of the day. And some of us may end up even coming home with nothing. And that's why my today's topic comes in. Where can you get a loan of 1,000 to 5,000 in case of an emergency in 5 minutes? Hi, my name is Doreen. This is Doc Vlogs in case you're new here. This is where we talk about finance, anything relating money, good businesses idea, place you can invest your money, and at the end of it you get something in return, right? So in case you haven't subscribed to this channel, why don't you just take a minute and subscribe to this channel? Subscription button is black on your right, and you can also like this video. It will really help me a lot because YouTube is going to recommend this video, and someone who hasn't watched the video is going to watch it, right? So let's jump to today's topic. I'm going to tell you guys where you can get a loan of at least 1,000 to 5,000 on Play Store apps and get it in just 5 minutes in case you have an emergency, right? So without any further ado, let's jump into today's topic. So guys, have you checked on this app? The first app is called Zidisha. Have you checked on it? This Zidisha app, I'm going to explain to it. Yes, right, guys, I wrote it down so that I may not miss any point that I want to explain to you guys. Zidisha has a white logo on Play Store. It is called Zidisha, Zidisha, Zidisha Loans. Guess what? Zidisha Loans works as a fundraiser because it's something globally, and people who are going to give you loans are many. You're getting? So you're going to request a loan, yes, but you have to write the project behind it. You're going to explain to them why you want the loan. Is it for business? Okay, give us that business idea, right? And guess what? They're going to give you a loan of at least 5,000 to 30,000 depending on what you explain to them. People are going to fundraise to you. They're going to give you this money, and Zidisha is going to give it to you as a loan. They're giving you a platform whereby you're going to explain yourself. If it's an emergency, you tell them, yes, it is an emergency, I have a sick person and stuff. But you have to explain yourself first on Zidisha platform in order for them to give you a loan. So it's like you're going to raise a project, you're going to tell and commit yourself that, yes, give me this amount of money and I'm going to give you back. And guess what? This platform will only charge you 5% of the principal amount. They're going to charge you. It's the best app that is going to charge you less than you expect. Other apps charges 10% and above. Zidisha is only going to charge you 5%, and you're going to repay this money in one full month. You're getting? They're not going to ask you like other apps that tells you, they give you a very high interest and tell you to go and repay that loan in 2 weeks. So I hope I've explained. I hope I'm so clear on Zidisha loan. So in case you're new here, and kindly don't mind my background noise, that is my background noise, that's my baby. In case you're new here and you have watched till now and you haven't subscribed, before I jump into my second point, why don't you just like this video? Just give it a like, guys, and subscribe to this. Become a subby, and you're going to learn a lot on this channel. So the second good app that is going to give you money is called Elpesa. Elpesa has a rainbow logo. It is blue, red, and green, something like that. It looks like this on Play Store. Someone is holding it like this, right? It has a logo like that, looks like this. Just write L, then Pesa. L apostrophe, is it an apostrophe, then Pesa, Elpesa. Guess what? With Elpesa, you're just going to create an account like any other. It's just signing up. If you have an account, fine. But if you don't have an account, you're going to create your account by signing up. They ask you simple question, then you're going to apply the loan, and they're going to give you the loan in seconds. They don't need you to give like any paperwork or anything. You just click there, sign up or create your account. Then they'll ask you this basic information, your name, your email, your phone, your referees and stuff. And guess what? These people give loans of 100 to 70,000 Kenyan shillings, and they charge an interest of 22% to 199% depending on the loan amount you have gotten. You're getting? So I've been explaining to you guys the other loans app, but people really wanted to know how they're charging. Most of the comments I got is the interest rate. So any app I'm going to explain to you today, I'm going to give you an interest rate of what they charge you, guys. So I've talked about Elpesa, and they're going to charge you the interest of 22% to 199%, depending on the loan that you have taken. Yeah. So if, for example, let's say, for example, they have given you a loan of 1030, right? So it's 1030, which you're going to repay within 31 days, right? So you're going to repay it with, is it 30? Yes, 30%. Is it 22% or 30%, depending on the amount. So you have been given 1030 as your loan limit, right? When you take it, you're going to repay it in 30 days, in 31 days, let's call it 30 days or 31 days, that's one full month, and you're going to repay it as 1294. That's 22% of the 1030 you're getting. So for example, if they have given you a loan limit of 1030, you're going to repay it as 1294 in 30 days. Isn't that amazing? These guys are really charging you less, and they're giving you more time to repay the loan. So if you took that 1030, you can pay it in 4. You can pay at least 250, 250, 250, 250, or the last one you'll pay in big sum, right? Yeah, so you just go to Play Store and check on Elpesa. Guys, please don't mind my background noise. That's my baby, and I really can't control her. She's small, and I've even blocked her not come to this close to this ring light, right guys? So without further ado, let me introduce you to the third loan. The third loan is called base. I've talked about it in my previous videos, and many of you guys wanted to know the charges and stuff. That's why I had to repeat it. So base has a green blue logo on Play Store. Base, BAYES, base loan. So right, so with base is so simple. You're just going to register, you sign up, or you create an account. It's so simple. In 5 seconds they just ask you basic information. And the good part with base is it's not only loans they're going to give. You can buy airtime, you can pay bills like electricity, water bills and stuff with it. So it has other activities. You can pay for merchants. Like, it has so many activities that you can do with it. It's not only getting loans. And with it, you're going to earn commission by buying airtime. You're going to earn commission by paying bills. You're going to earn commission, right? So the different thing about base is that base will ask you for your M-Pesa statement, your 3-month M-Pesa statement. Guess how you're going to do it? So if you just sign up on base, they're going to give you zero limit. So with zero limit, they'll want you to text their customer care and tell them this and this stuff, and they're going to tell you to upload your 3-month statement. There's a number you dial, star, I think something, they'll give you an app, and you're going to send them your 3-month statement, M-Pesa statement. And with it, they're going to determine how you use your M-Pesa. I don't know what they check on that, but they're going to determine how you use your M-Pesa, and that's how they're going to also determine your loan limit. So within second after sending it, 5 seconds or 5 minutes, let's give it 1 to 5 minutes, they're going to update your limit. When you go and check back, they're going to update your limit. And they give loans of at least 1,000 to 50,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on how you use M-Pesa daily, right? Their charge is at least 30% of the principal amount. They charge 30% of the principal amount, and their payment days are 90 to 180 days. Imagine, they give you all that time. You repay the loan in 90 to 180 days, depending on the amount you took or on the terms that you gave yourself. They ask you for the term, which like you take a loan, and they'll ask you how long do you want to repay it. They'll give you options. So if you took 180 days, then fine, but just know that your interest will be a little bit high. So let me give you an example. So if you took a loan of 1,000 with 30%, you're going to repay it as 1,300. That is plus interest in 90 days. Isn't that amazing? So if they gave you a loan of 1,000, you're going to repay it as 1,300. They'll charge you 300. That is 30% of the principal amount, right? So the last but not least, this is about the loans. The other point is Berry. Berry has a pink logo on Play Store. It has a pink logo. You can just type Berry, BERRY, Berry loans. It will bring you a pink logo. So also Berry will just get into that, sign up, create an account. That is so basic, that is so normal. You just feed in your information like your name, email, personal phone number and stuff, right? After that, then they'll give you a loan limit. I also think that they also want you to give them your M-Pesa statement, but for me they did not ask me for that. But for now, I think they have changed. With time, things are also added value to, and they will ask you now for your M-Pesa statement. So you're going to give them an M-Pesa statement of at least 6 months. You'll share with them. After you've shared, they're going to raise a limit for you, depending also on how you use your M-Pesa. So they give loans of 1,000 to 50,000 also, just like base, and they'll charge you 9 to 25%. Imagine 9 to 25% of the total principal that you received. You're getting, if you get 1,000 as your loan limit, you're going to pay it as 1,250 after 65 days. Isn't that amazing? You're going to pay 1,250 after 65 good days, right? So I think I've given you the 4 loans app that I'm supposed to give you. So the last one is like a bonus. Before I give you this last one, guys, kindly just subscribe to this channel. I'll give you a moment. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if this video did not help you, you can just go and check my previous videos that I have done about estates, about businesses, everything. And if it really helped you, just give me that subby. Become a subby. Become a family, guys. You can become a family, and it will really help me grow. And I'm going to have that courage to search more details and share with you. I'll make sure I search a lot and in deep and explain to you guys. And I'm really hoping this channel will be of help in your life. Also, guys, just give this video a thumbs up. It will really help and push this video out there on YouTube. Yeah, so the last one is like a bonus, and guess what? This loan app is going to help you not only cash wise, but it's going to help you if you want an item and you can't afford it. So it's called Aspira. 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 How does Aspira work? Aspira works by giving you a loan limit. So if you're going to just click it on Play Store, it has an orange logo. So it's Aspira with orange logo. You're going to create an account, and guess what? They'll ask you for this information, M-Pesa, your number and stuff. They're going to give you a limit. So they'll give you a limit of at least 60,000 to 100,000. You're getting? So if you have a 60,000 loan, they're going not to give you this loan as cash. They'll want you to take any product that they have. So they'll give you a variety of products. If you want a phone, if you want a TV, if you want anything, so they'll give you according to the loan limit that you have. If you want a 50-inch TV and it's going for 40,000, they'll give you that 50-inch TV, and you're going to repay it monthly with the terms that you're going to go into with them. You're getting? So if you don't have a phone like me, I'm straining with my Oppo phone, and I'm really going to want to get a new phone that has a lot of space, good camera and stuff, and I really don't have that cash at the moment. I'll opt for Aspira. I'll go to Aspira. I'll ask them, guys, I want this and this. So if they're going to give me a limit of at least 60,000, then it means that I'm going to take a good phone from them. Get me right. They're not going to give you the 60,000, but they'll give you a limit of 60,000, which you're going to use and take a product from them as a loan, and you're going to be repaying that product monthly. Isn't that amazing? Hope this last point has helped you. Go and do your research. Go to Play Store, check on these apps that I've talked through about them. Go and check them and look at the comment section. Look at the rates before you go into any of them. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, I'm finishing this video and you haven't, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to like this video. It will really help me a lot. So without further ado, let's see you on another vlog. Ciao.